morning. Vashish, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Tejas, good morning. Who's using the ID of Sanjeev? Please. All right, let's wait for another minute for everyone to join and then we'll start the class. Okay? Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta. Good morning. Very good morning, Beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Everyone excited about the classes?
Good morning again.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning again.
Kavita, how was your first class?
Let others also enter. बाकी को भी आने दो. फिर उसके बाद let me start the class. Give me 2 more minutes. Okay? Just 2 more minutes.
You're happy that you can see everybody, that you are able to start your classes and not get bored. Okay. All right, very good. What about the other children? Everyone's happy to come back for the online classes? Okay. All right. So if everyone's ready, shall we start the class? Okay, fine. So what we're going to do today, first tell me how many of you have got your books, your English books? Good morning. Okay, good morning. Never mind, never mind. Those who haven't got the books, never mind. So I'll just show you the book that you have to buy. So today we'll not be doing
Okay.
books.
Only these much students. Where are others?
Which I'm sure all of you are going to.
Where are others? बस इतने ही हैं? Morning में तो उससे ज़्यादा थे. Let me check the names again. There are names I'm having. जो जो present थे, they are 4th B class है ना ये? Okay. Are they still present or not? Just tell me. Athar Singh. Athar Singh.
Ma'am.
Devansh Verma. Kartik.
Okay, today no books. No books.
कार्तिक कुमार अरुण देवांश नहीं है. Okay, Devansh is not there. Suprema Manas. ठीक है, Suprema, keep your video on. Your videos must not be off. अच्छा, बस tell me how many do not have a book. How many of you do not have a book? How many of you do not have?
I have book. Ma'am, I have book.
How many of you do not have a book?
I have a notebook.
Book किसके पास है? बेटा, today I'm sparing you. Today I'm letting you go. From tomorrow onwards, कल से आपके पास notebook होनी चाहिए. ठीक है? कल से आप सबके पास notebook होनी चाहिए. Every one of you must have a notebook and it should be covered.
Yes.
It should be covered. Manas, stop playing. Stop playing.
Ma'am.
हाँ. बुक की बात नहीं करी, नोटबुक. नोटबुक बेटा कॉपी को बोलते हैं. ओके?
Yes, ma'am. I have a notebook, but I have a notebook.
Because you have a notebook because
Okay, 1 minute.
Ma'am, but
1 minute. First, all of you try to listen to me. Whoever wants to ask me something will raise
Suti,
their
what are you
hand.
saying, beta? Say it again. I'm not able to hear you properly.
You will raise your hand and then
Type कर दो Stuti, type it whatever you are saying.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Who wants to ask? Yes, Divit.
ऋषभ क्या बोल रहा है माइक बंद करके?
Divit.
ओके चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो मैं पहले क्या पढ़ा रही थी, प्लेस वैल्यू। द वैल्यू ऑफ अ प्लेस इज नोन एज प्लेस वैल्यू। जैसे आप किसी सीट पर बैठे हो, आप फर्स्ट सीट पर बैठे हो, आप सेकंड सीट पर बैठे हो, आप थर्ड सीट पर बैठे हो, आप कौन सी सीट पर बैठे हो, द सीट you are sitting at is known as its place value. For example, if you're sitting at the third seat, that means you have the third place value. ऐसे डिजिट्स भी कहीं ना कहीं पर होते हैं, है ना? डिजिट्स भी कहीं ना कहीं पर होते हैं। जैसे 4062 is a digit, it is somewhere. 4062 it's somewhere else. कहीं ना कहीं तो वो बैठे हैं, ठीक है? अब वो जहाँ भी बैठे हैं, they are known as, this is known as place value. 6 कौन सी प्लेस पर है, 4 कौन सी प्लेस पर है, 0 कौन सी प्लेस पर है, तो इनकी फिक्स वैल्यू होती है। Do you remember this abacus? Do you remember abacus? I have given you last time. किसी ने बनाया था abacus? Abacus बनाया था? शीश बनाया था? Are you still having it? Third में बिल्कुल starting में दिया
Yes,
था
ma'am.
abacus बनाने के लिए. How many of you do you have a abacus? Show me. Any one of you having
Yes,
it?
Beta, but this is not for this year, Beta.
Are you having it?
Yes, Aksa.
Ma'am, I'm bringing.
Okay, bring it. Let him bring it.
Ma'am, what?
Yes, Beta. We are
Wait
not
a second.
doing written right now. I'll tell you what we'll be doing. Don't worry about that. Okay? Yes. Yes. Anybody else wants to ask something before I start? Yes, Vashish? Yes, Beta. Okay, I will send it on the class group after the class is over. Don't worry. Yes, Dakshita, what do you want to ask, Beta? Dakshita. अभी बेटा मैम बताएंगे, डोंट वरी, अभी मैं बता रही हूँ क्या करना है.
Ma'am,
Okay.
please
Any other queries? So should I start the class now? Anybody wants to ask anything else? No
Yes.
one? Okay.
Brought it? Show
So
me.
now,
Show us.
let's start.
Okay, he is having abacus. This I told you to draw at
So now
home.
when-
Very good, Sheesh.
Okay, now,
See, let me
Yes.
show you his abacus.
yes, beta.
Very good. Kartik का भी, अभी Kartik का भी दिखाती हूँ. Very nice.
Okay.
See, this is the place value. Whenever we read something, okay, Kartik, you show yours.
Now, one more thing I would request.
Very nice, Kartik. That he made. और ऊपर करो बेटा थोड़ा सा Kartik.
Yes, Alasha. Yes, beta.
Yes. Yes. What is O, T, H and TH, everyone here? Anyone can tell me? What is this? O, T, H,
Okay,
TH.
if you don't have book, never mind.
क्या है ये?
जिनके पास book नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं.
क्या है मानस? बताओ.
10, 100,000, 10,000.
Very good. ठीक है. अब क्या होता है बेटा? See, as you read the number, 345 is the number. Suppose 345 is the number. 3, 4, 5. So बेटा हम हमेशा left से पढ़ना तो हम left से start करते हैं. We start reading from the left. हम left से पढ़ना start करते हैं. 345. But place value हमेशा right से start. Place value हमेशा right से, extreme right से start होती है. 5 ones, 4 tens and 3 hundreds like this. ठीक है? 5 ones, 4 tens and 3 hundreds like this. We have the place values. हाँ स्तुति, हाँ स्तुति, show.
Yes. Yes, बेटा दोनों तरफ लाइन बनी हुई है.
Wait a second.
Okay.
And please let me.
So what you have to do today is you will give the heading as alphabets. Okay. The heading on top will be alphabets. I'm going to write this.
Oh, very nice, Stuti. Very good.
You all can see.
Very nice. Stuti, can you write 345 here? 345 here. Can you make it in the abacus? 345. Anybody is having a real abacus at home? If anybody is having, if anyone of you
Check
have.
the chat box, children. This is the heading of the chapter, alphabetical order. You all can open the chat box. Is it visible to all of you? This is going to be the heading in your copy, alphabetical order. Do not forget to, yes, beta.
Okay, Stuti. Just make it, we'll see it afterwards.
बेटा कोई पेज नंबर नहीं है, कोई
Okay, you are having notebooks with notebooks. Okay, no issues in maths. I'll give you question myself. Maths में कोई problem नहीं है. ठीक है, I'll give you questions myself. Notebooks सबके पास होनी चाहिए. I know books में it may take time, but make sure it may come within 2 or 3 days. But notebook सबके पास होनी चाहिए and it should be well maintained. Cover के साथ मैं सबकी एक एक notebook check करूंगी यहीं पर ही कैमरा पर. मैथ्स नोटबुक कवर होनी चाहिए. अभी किस किस की कवर है अभी शो करो मुझे. लेट मी शो मी द मैथ्स नोटबुक राइट नाउ. सुप्रीमा एंड देवांश स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा. सुप्रीमा
Ma'am,
एंड
my
देवांश.
notebook is coming very late. So, ma'am, I am not. Ma'am, I am not.
वेरी गुड. ऋषभ करेक्ट. ऋषभ गुड. ऋषभ की तो ठीक है. ओके. कार्तिक ऑल्सो. शो मी द फर्स्ट पेज. कार्तिक बैक करो. ये तो बुक है बेटा. नोटबुक नोटबुक. आई एम आस्किंग अबाउट द नोटबुक. Yes, this one. It should be covered. It should be covered, Karthik. मुझे ये uncovered notebooks, I don't want to see them at all. Okay? Just make a covered notebook and it should be maintained well. अच्छे से maintain होनी चाहिए with the name slip like Rishabh has made. Rishabh, show them again. Show them again, Rishabh.
बेटा आई एम नॉट एबल टू सी बिकॉज़ योर बुक इज क्वाइट फार. अगर दोनों साइड लाइन बनी है.
Yes, like this.
Yes.
Like this. It should be well maintained like this.
Yes.
मैं सारी notebooks I am telling you I will see each and every notebook.
What you have to do?
I'll keep a note. I'll keep on a note. There's those who of you are not showing me the notebooks.
First thing when ma'am
You will get 0 in discipline and notebooks if you're not going to show me the notebooks. If you're not going to prepare this notebook like this Rishabh has made. Okay, make sure it should be covered also. Because it will be collected. It will be collected. आपकी notebooks होगी correct होकर के मैं check करूँगी. It will be corrected in
capital letters.
Beta, it should be covered, Stuti. It should be covered. Well covered.
You can start right now.
Or with the name slip. With the name slip. And the subject
Ma'am,
message.
I have notebooks, but it is not covered.
So beta, cover them by tomorrow. Okay, Sheesh?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Okay.
I am saying in capital letters.
Okay, let me start this. Okay. अब देखो क्या होता है. लिखना कुछ नहीं है अभी नोटबुक में. लिखना कुछ नहीं है. जब भी आपको लिखना होगा कुछ भी, I'll mention at the top कि आपको ये कहाँ पर करना है. अब place values क्या होती है बेटा? See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. These are all place values. ठीक है. वो कहाँ से start होती है? It always starts from ones. The place values always starts from ones. कहाँ से start होती है place values? Ones से start होती है. ठीक है. Wait a minute. Let me spotlight myself. Wait. हाँ, ठीक है. So place values always starts from ones. Then it comes tens. Place value इसकी आती है tens, then hundreds, and then
आपको जहाँ पे headings आ रही है alphabetical order. उसके बाद you will leave 2 lines. फिर आप A से Z का capital letters में पूरा लिखेंगे. जितने भी alphabets हैं.
ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands.
Yes.
ठीक है. These are the place values. For example, if number is 345, तो बेटा हम place values left से नहीं start करते. We start the place values from the right side. 5 की कौन सी होगी? Ones. 4 की होगी tens. 3 की होगी hundreds. Thousands का कोई number नहीं है, so there will be no place value of thousands. Okay? There will be no place value of thousands here. 345 है तो 5 ones, 4 tens, 3 hundreds. ठीक है. अच्छा, अगर यहाँ पे 6 भी होता तो यहाँ पे 6 की प्लेस वैल्यू हो जाती thousands. Understood? 6 की प्लेस वैल्यू होती है यहाँ पर thousands. Understood? Okay. So tell me what are number names? What do you mean by number names? What do you mean by number names? Number names क्या होते हैं? So if I ask you what is your name?
Alright. Good.
What is your name?
Yes, Tuti Khandelwal.
कैसे लिखोगे अपना नाम? What is your name?
Khandelwal.
हाँ, स्तुति खंडेलवाल, वेरी गुड. लाइक दिस बेटा हर नंबर का नेम होता है. ठीक है, उसको बोलोगे ही नहीं तो कैसे
जाओ
क्या
यहाँ
कैसे
से, जाओ, हटाओ.
Who is this? Who is this? Switch off your mic.
Somebody is posted by the name Kunal, not put in the alphabet T.
Okay, now see here. So number names हो गए आपके. नंबर के नेम को नंबर नेम बोलते हैं. सिंपल. जो नंबर दिया हुआ है अगर आप उसकी कुछ नेमिंग कर दोगे तो उसको नंबर नेम्स बोलते हैं. ठीक है. And what do you mean by number name? And what do you mean by numerals? What do you mean by numerals?
All right.
What do you mean by numerals?
Alright. So 2 more minutes for everyone to finish the work.
What do you mean by numeral?
Okay.
नंबर को न्यूमरल बोलते हैं. इट इज सिंपल. नंबर को न्यूमरल बोलते हैं. ओके, डन, अंडरस्टूड. लाइक 50 is 50. 50 is 50. तो 50 का नेम तो हो गया, नंबर नेम हो गया 50. FIFTY. FIFTY is the number name. और 50 is 50 is a number. Numeral. Sorry, 50 is a number. 50 is a numeral and FIFTY is
Alright,
its name.
Ravi, very good. Written it
ठीक है,
very neatly.
understood.
Let me see what she
Okay.
also sent.
Let me share you the picture. First picture. Wait a second. Give me a
Alright,
minute.
Rashish, very good. Then I got one.
Acha, wait.
Okay, Vika.
Do you know about expanded
Second
form and the
question.
short form? Do you know about expanded form and short form?
Yes, Vika.
Expanded form क्या होती है? Expand किसे बोलते हैं? What do you mean by expand?
Alright, Vanya. Very good. Then I got
What
one
do you mean
from
by
Dakshita.
expand?
Alright, Dakshita, this is
Anyone
not
of you
what
can
have to
tell me?
write, Beta. You will write it only.
किसी को नहीं पता expand किसको बोलते हैं?
Not like this. Dakshita.
Can I tell Rishabh?
Can you hear me, Beta? Dakshita, you will not write it like this.
Can I tell?
This, Beta, and write only
Rishabh, I'm not able to hear you. What you are saying, beta?
not like this.
Mom, can I?
Yes, anyone of you can tell.
Ma'am, like suppose their number is 451.
हाँ.
Okay.
So 4 is
How
10th
many
and
how many are still writing? Shriya, what about
like 5.
Arav, Aditi, Rudransh, what about you all? Ayushi,
Still single
Shlok.
and 4 is 100.
ऋषभ, I'm not able to hear you, बेटा. सही से थोड़ा सा पास आकर बोलो.
Yes. Arya is not
Okay,
written.
ma'am. Ma'am, like 3 is 10th and 3 is 10th and 4 is 5.
All of you should do it.
नहीं, expanded किसको बोलते हैं? Expand किसको बोलते हैं? ये बताओ. चलो छोड़ो. Expand किसको बोलते हैं?
Ma'am, like full form.
Full form, very good. Full form.
Beta, you
नहीं,
have
full
to
form
do
तो
the
नहीं होती.
picture. It's very fast.
Expanded
I'm not
form.
able to see it properly. Yes.
Wait a minute. Just give me a minute.
Ma'am, I go to 12.
बेटा, don't ask like this. Okay? And toilet ही होता है, washroom होता है. Okay? Yes, you can go for washroom.
All right, Saransh, yours is fine.
Just give me a minute. अभी आ रही हूँ. Wait, wait. Just give me a minute. बस minute. Wait a minute. Yes.
Yes.
So let us start doing some of the exercises, but the exercise we will do in the last period. Why so? Because one period you are having with 4th A, B, C together. Rishabh, ये वाली notebook नहीं बेटा. No. Rishabh, don't use this notebook.
No, ma'am. I am showing the example.
You are showing me the example. अच्छा ये वाली notebook use नहीं करना लेकिन okay. You can use it for rough, but for fair don't use this notebook.
Ma'am, it is
Fair वाली ये नहीं बनाई है ना ऋषभ?
ma'am. One notebook.
You are?
Ma'am, I am example of rough notebook.
Okay, rough notebook. वो ठीक है. Fair notebook ये वाली नहीं बनाना है. हिंदी लाइन वाली जो pages वाली होती है वो बनानी है. All right?
You will do many alphabets in one line. Yes, Darshita, very good. This is okay now. Aryan, you also want to find out.
अच्छा, expanded form किसको बोलते हैं? Expanded form. Expand का meaning बता दो. अच्छा चलो छोड़ो. Expand का meaning बता दो.
Okay, so all of you know now A to Z. Fine. Now, out of this, what will you do? Below this, you are going to write.
What do you mean by expand?
Vowels. You are going to write.
किसी को नहीं पता expand का meaning क्या होता है?
Vowels are there. कितने vowels होते हैं? Aryan.
Science में पढ़ा है? Expand? हाँ? Short नहीं होता है.
I will not ask. No.
नहीं. देखो किसी चीज को अगर बड़ा करके लिखते हैं तो उसको बोलते हैं expand. जैसे आपने बलून देखा, बलून. Have you seen a balloon?
If you speak out of turn, I will not listen.
बलून देखा?
Raise hand. जिस बच्चे से
Okay. तो balloons में क्या होता है बेटा? जब when we blow air into it, वो बड़ा हो जाता है. तो वो क्या होता है? बड़ा हो जाता है. होता है ऐसा क्या नहीं होता है? When we blow air into it, it becomes bigger. बर्थडे वाले बलून्स और कैसे समझोगे? बलून जो बर्थडे में यूज करते हैं. सुप्रीमा एंड विकास स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा. सुप्रीमा एंड विकास स्विच ऑन योर कैमरास. Suprema and Vikas, switch on your cameras.
Vowels, you put a dash and then you will write A, E, I, O.
Suprema, you also. Yes, your cameras should be on. ठीक है?
Ma'am, we are doing.
क्या हुआ? मानस कोई प्रॉब्लम है?
Remember?
Manas, any problem is there?
No, see. No.
Okay, now see here.
अगर जगह है.
Okay, ठीक. Now listen to me. Balloon देखा है? When we blow air into it, वो बड़ा हो जाता है. So what we say, balloon expand. Balloon is expand. और फिर आप में उसमें से air निकाल दोगे वो फिर से छोटा हो जाएगा. So it is the short one. तो balloon जो है वो छोटा हो जाता है. फिर आप उसमें air blow कर दोगे, it will be expanded. It will be expanded. Expand means बड़ा होना. और वो short जो हो गया, जब हमने इससे air निकाल दिया तो वो short हो गया. ठीक है? So वो क्या है? This balloon is what? This balloon is अच्छा, बलून ही रहा ना. जब बलून एक्सपैंड किया तो वो चेंज तो नहीं हो गया, वो दूसरा बलून तो नहीं बन गया. ये ऐसा हुआ कि वो एक्सपैंड किया तो वो दूसरा बलून बन गया. ऐसा हुआ है क्या? बलून रिमेन्स द सेम. बलून जैसा था वो वैसा ही रहा. ठीक है? तो एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म क्या होता है? एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म और शॉर्ट फॉर्म क्या होता है? एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म इज द बिगर वन. जब उसको ओपन कर देते हैं और जब उसको छोटा कर देते हैं तो वो शॉर्ट फॉर्म बन जाती है. ठीक है? Expanded form क्या होती है? Now see here. Suppose
What's the next thing?
the term of 400 plus 20 plus
Yes.
expanded form. और short form क्या है? 426 जो लिखा है that is the short form. 426 is equals to how much? 420 plus 6. तो ये जो है this is the expanded form. This is the expanded.
Can you please help me with the
Expanded means बड़ा हो जाता है. ये बड़ी हो जाती है. Expanded. Expanded. And this is the short.
Move it here. Okay, why you tell me?
Understood the difference between the expanded form and short form? Expanded form means जब balloon बड़ा होता है तो expand होता है, और जब छोटा हो जाता है तो वो छोटा हो जाता है, ठीक है? So this is the difference between the expanded form and the short form.
बेटा धीरे
Wait a minute, beta. Let me send the link. This period will get over at time. Just let me check timetable.
Ma'am, 9:30.
9:30. 30. Let me check. Wait.
Ma'am,
हाँ 9:30 ठीक है, 8:50 से 9:30. Okay. Yes, it will be at 9:30. Okay, now send. Beta, you remember that I asked you to make one bookmark, table bookmarks, table marks. You remember that? You remember that I asked you to make bookmarks?
Class third.
हाँ, आप सबको टेबल लर्न है? किस किस को टेबल लर्न नहीं है? How many of you don't remember the tables?
Yes, Amita.
किसको लर्न नहीं है टेबल्स? अभी मैं टेबल का टेस्ट ले लेती हूँ. अभी टेबल टेस्ट ले लेती हूँ मैं. Okay, I'll just take the table test. I'll just take the table test. ठीक है. Now, Shrish, open your mic.
Beta, we will just check the chat box.
ये ठीक है.
We will fill
Shrish,
the
open your mic.
components, put a dash and then
Rishabh, open your mic.
the alphabet.
Speak the table of 15. Rishabh, speak the table of 15.
Who's using the idea of Navneet? Who's this child? Ayushi is with you? Navneet,
15 for this.
using this idea. कौन है बेटा? Tell me your names.
Ma'am, one more है 15 to the 15 to the 30. For the
कौन है बेटा? Who's wearing pink? Who's this Ayushi? कौन है?
15 समझा.
So you are
90,
Ayushi.
15 7s are 90.
What are you not able to understand?
15 7s are 90.
आप से पूछो.
15. Yeah, no, ma'am. 15. 105, 15, 8 ja.
Okay, you see it in the chat box. अपना chat box खोलो. देखो मैम ने उसमें लिखी हुई है स्पेलिंग.
120.
दिखा आपको.
120, 15, 9 ja, 135, 15 ja, 150.
लर्न नहीं है, बिल्कुल लर्न नहीं है. ऋषभ, इसको फिर से लर्न करोगे. मानस, 13 का टेबल सुनाओ.
13 1 the 13, 13 2 the 26, 13 3 the 39, 13 4 the
Yeah, written.
4 the
Written. Aryan.
4 the
Okay, fine. 2 minutes.
सब भूल गए tables? चलो. Now everyone you have to make table bookmarks.
Yes, you have to write those.
याद है कैसे बनाए थे table bookmarks? Remember?
ma'am.
Children, see that your work is very
तो table bookmarks draw करने हैं सबको. Everyone you have to draw the table bookmarks.
Okay?
Ma'am, वही तो ma'am फिर से बनाने हैं.
क्या बनाने हैं?
Ma'am, bookmark फिर से बनाने हैं.
हाँ, फिर से बनाने हैं. And you have to learn the tables. I will listen from each and every one of you all the tables. From 2 to 20, any table I can ask.
Ma'am, tomorrow.
Yes, Vikram.
Yes, tomorrow. Tomorrow is
Okay.
not tomorrow. Whenever we have the class, you'll come to know whenever we have the class, even if it is online or offline. जैसे भी class होगी, उस दिन आपको मुझे सुनाना ही पड़ेगी tables.
Yes.
ठीक है? You have to learn the tables and you have to just tell me the tables. I can ask you any of the tables. ठीक है?
All right, beta. Let me just check.
Okay, now place value system. Expanded form, short form, I told you. Okay, now let's do one thing. Abhi, you everyone take out one rough notebook. Abhi, everyone take out one rough notebook. Take out one rough notebook.
Okay, Arav. सेक्शन बी
रफ यूज करना है। नेक्स्ट पीरियड, अभी लास्ट पीरियड भी फिर से मेरा है, तो लास्ट पीरियड में आई वांट वन फेयर नोटबुक, एवरीवन should be prepared with one fair notebook last period में. Okay?
Don't be in a hurry.
चलो.
See that your work is very neat. Check your spelling. Yes, you have to write consonants, like how I put it in the chat box, with a dash, and then you will write the alphabets which we use as consonants.
चलो. First of all,
yes, all
let's do some of the questions.
Yes, I'm just checking. Everyone's work, don't worry. Right? Yes, Aditi. I'm not able to see. It's quite far off. Yes, all right, Aditi. It's good. Done. Great.
Ma'am, I have no rough notebook.
बेटा पेज में कर लो, पेज में कर लो अगर रफ नोटबुक नहीं है तो.
All right, Aryan. Vowels, consonants. Okay. Please check your spellings.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, now everyone's done. So let's start. I'm going to play a game with you. Fine. Okay, fine. Okay. 1 minute more I'm waiting, then I'm going to start the game. Just quickly, children finish it in 1 minute, and I'm going to start playing the game.
चलो.
Yes.
Write this in rough notebook. और अभी के अभी मुझे सेंड करना है. I want answers from everyone, those who are sitting here.
Okay, Aryan, you can check your spelling of consonants. Aryan Chandra. You've written E. It has to be CONSONANT, not ENT. Aryan, beta, check your spelling. Section B, Aryan. Okay, shall I start the game? Everyone's ready? Okay, fine. All right, so let's start. What you have to do, I'm going to call out the names of some alphabets. I'm going to call out the name of one alphabet. You have to tell me which alphabet is going to come next. उसके बाद कौन सा alphabet आएगा? तो सबसे पहले बोलेगा is going to be the winner will come, will get 1 point. Okay. So ready? Let's see how quick you all are. I want, okay. So children, you are going to do this on your own. I do not want any parents to drop from the back. कोई मामा से नहीं पूछेगा, कोई कुछ नहीं पूछेगा, अपने आप से करेंगे. Okay. So let's start. What comes after B? B. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Very good. What comes after K? K. All right.
I hope everyone is able to see this properly, right?
Okay. What comes?
Ma'am, I have done.
Do it quickly and send it to me quickly.
What comes after P?
Suti, stop talking and do your work.
G.
Please open your camera. I can't see. Ma'am, the class is over.
चलो let's see. Let's meet in the next class. In the last period ये करके रखना. Okay. चलो bye bye.
Ma'am, please send the questions.